Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine. My name is Rimsha Azhar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, as you can see today our topic is based on the famous novel Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. First of all, in this video we will going to cover the introduction of the writer and novel, character analysis of the novel, then setting, summary, themes, symbols of the novel and analysis, and we conclude our topic. So first of all, let's start with the introduction of novel and writer. Oliver Twist is one of the most famous novels by Charles Dickens who ever wrote. It was published in installments between 1837 and 1839. Charles Dickens is considered to be the greatest English novelist of Victorian era. Much in his work could appeal to the simple and sophisticated, to the poor and to the queen, and technological developments as well, as the qualities of his work enabled his fame to spread worldwide very quickly. Basically, Oliver Twist is a classic story about an orphan who has to find his way through a city full of criminals and avoid being corrupted. People read Oliver Twist in Dickens' day and are still reading it now for the gritty realism with which Dickens portrays working class people and the horrible living conditions of London slums. Oliver Twist is Dickens' only novel that qualifies as a Newgate novel, so it seems like he just wanted to try his hands at a popular style of writing before turning to other loftier pursuits. Now, characters in this novel include Oliver Twist, the novel's protagonist. Oliver is an orphan born in a workhouse, and Dickens uses his situation to criticize public policy toward the poor in 1830s in England. He was treated with cruelty and surrounded by coarseness for most of his life. He is pious, innocent child, and his charms draw the attention of several wealthy benefactors. His true identity is the central mystery of the novel. Fagin, a conniving career criminal who doesn't do crimes himself, instead, he takes in homeless children and trains them to pick pockets for him. Dickens' portrait of Fagin displays the influence of anti Semitic stereotype. Rose Miley, a beautiful, compassionate, and forgiving young woman, Rose is the novel's model of female virtue. She establishes a loving relationship with Oliver even before it is revealed that the two are related. Then Monks, a sickly, vicious young man, prone to violent fits and teeming with unexplicable hatred. With Fagin, he schemes to give Oliver a bad reputation. Bill Sykes, a brutal professional burglar brought up in Fagin's gang. Sykes is Nancy, a prostitute, pimp, and lover, and he treats both her and his dog Bullseye with an odd combination of cruelty and grudging affection. Mr. Bumble. Mr. Bumble preaches Christian morality. He behaves without compassion towards the paupers under his care. Dickens mercilessly satirizes his self-righteousness, greed, hypocrisy, and folly of which his name is an obvious symbol. Bullseye, Bill Sykes' dog. As vicious as his master, Bullseye functions as the Sykes' alter ego. Next is setting. The major action of Oliver Twist moves back and forth between two worlds, the filthy slums of London and clean, comfortable house of Brownlow and Millais. The first world is real and frightening, while the other is idealized, almost dreamlike, in its safety and beauty. The world of London is a world of crime. Then, summary of the novel. The novel was the first of author's work to realistically depict the impoverished London underworld and to illustrate his belief that poverty leads to crime. The novel follows the journey of a titular character, Oliver Twist. Oliver is basically an orphan child since birth. After suffering repeated mistreatment, Oliver runs away and heads for London. He soon finds himself in the presence of artful Dodger, who tells him to stay at the house of an old gentleman named Fagin with a number of other boys. On an outing, Oliver witnesses the boys take a handkerchief from Mr. Brownlow, an elderly man, which prompts Oliver to run away in fear and confusion. Oliver is sent on a burglary mission with another member of the group to the countryside around London. While he is there, Fagin and a man named Monks plot to get him back. Unfortunately for Nancy, news of her betrayal reaches Sykes and he beats her to death. The Malays reunited Oliver with Mr. Brownlow, who forces Monks to explain himself. He receives his share to the money, Fagin is hung and Malays. Oliver and Mr. Brownlow move to the countryside where they spend the rest of their days together. Then theme of the novel include good versus evil, love versus hate, greed and revenge, thievery and crime, poverty, institutions and class, individualism and social bonds, fate and free will, identity and inheritance. So let's explain the few of themes good versus evil. Oliver is constantly caught between good and evil. Although he is put through many trials and is tested constantly, he fights off evil and remains one of the most kind and innocent boys. Both good and evil shape him throughout the novel. Another example of good versus evil is the love between Rose and Harry and how it overcomes obstacles. Emphasized in the work are the virtue of sacrifice, charity, and loyalty. Poverty. Some novelists like Dickens have revealed the world of poor class in his novel and reinforced his novel with factual details that really shocked the readers of their time. His fiction suggests that poverty can corrupt innocent characters, as he shows in Oliver Twist, where children are driven to theft to sustain their living. Poverty and injustice are shown to lead to the act of violence. Dickens shows how the man is driven to criminality and theft under the pressure of these factors. Dickens also was fully aware of the victimization of women in Victorian society. Nancy forced in prostitution by poverty, hunger, and life in corrupt environment. The characters who belong to the poor class are depicted as villains, but Oliver Twist illustrates Dickens' ideas of the dehumanized situation of the poor and his disapproval of patch-up solution for poverty as a social disease. Theme of fate and free will. Some characters in this novel are liberated and live happily ever after. Others are not able to escape the labyrinth that the city, their social class, and the system of justice and religion seem to have created. Why is that? Certain characters seem to give up their free will at certain points and to abandon themselves to kind of bizarre fatalism. Symbol of the novel include darkness. In Oliver Twist, darkness is associated with crime and evil doing. The darkness of the setting reflects the darkness of their thoughts and deed. Obesity. Obesity ultimately is a symbol of membership in the prosperous class, indicating a condition in which people have more than enough. As with the poor, the middle class encompasses both the virtuous and evil. Countryside. In contrast to the dark street of the poor quarters of London, the countryside is bright with sun-drenched open spaces and colorful flowers. In Oliver Twist, it is a place of health, happiness, security, while the city is a place of disease, desperation, and danger. Dirt and dilapidation. It represents poverty. The thieves wear dirty clothes and live in dilapidated surroundings, while other characters in Oliver Twist are both poor and clean. Thus, a character's level of cleanliness can be seen as measure of that person's virtue and strength of spirit. Analysis and conclusion. In this masterpiece, Oliver is to represent the principle of good surviving through the manifold adversity and triumphing at last. The central concept is of good versus evil. More specifically, the writer explores the immense struggle that goodness must endure before it finally triumphs over its oldest and most bitter enemy. Poverty, institution, class differences, and class theme analysis are highlighted as analytic material of this novel. Oliver Twist is sustained attack on the British poor laws. The research reveals that among many kinds of social injustice, poverty, social satisfaction, and child labor are the most common issues. Some moral values are shown, such as steadfastness, sympathetic to others, bravery, honesty, cooperativeness, thankfulness, and kind hearted. This novel gives the lesson to be strong. Endure the pain, and you will end up for a better person at the end. One should dare to raise voice against the mistreatment of orphans in the infant from where orphans would spend several nights without food enough. So that's all in this novel. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.